There's a reason why so many people feel stuck. They think success is reserved for the lucky, the wealthy, or the naturally gifted. But the truth? You don't need a 10-year plan. You need 6 to 12 months of relentless, focused effort. What you're about to learn isn't hype. It's a repeatable blueprint. A strategy that, if applied with consistency, can put you so far ahead of the pack, you'll stop looking over your shoulder. Let's get into it. Most people are busy, but not productive. They confuse movement with progress. They start things, stop midway, jump to the next shiny object, and repeat the cycle for years. They scroll through social media, watch motivational content, even buy books they never finish. The average person is addicted to distraction and allergic to discipline. The moment you unplug, focus, and commit to execution, you instantly separate yourself from the masses. As the saying goes, we overestimate what we can do in a day and underestimate what we can do in a year. 6 to 12 months of intentional action can look like this. You go from broke to freelancing, from unknown to building a personal brand, from burnout to building a lifestyle that feels aligned. While most people are waiting for the right time, you're quietly building systems. This window, right now, is your edge. Use it. Here's the playbook. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what works. If you build these 5 habits into your life, you create a snowball effect. Each one multiplies the impact of the others. Miss one and you stall. Master them and you'll become unrecognizable in less than a year. Let's break them down. Motivation fades. It comes and goes like the weather. But clarity, that's your compass. When you're crystal clear on who you want to be and what kind of life you're building, you don't need pep talks. You just get to work. So take 30 minutes. Write a 1-page vision. Describe your 12-month self. How you think, move, earn, and live. That's your North Star. Motivation can take the day off. Clarity won't. Imagine what your life would look like if you spent just 2 hours a day, completely focused on mastering one high-level skill. That's 730 hours in a year, the equivalent of over 18 full-time work weeks. While most are multitasking, context switching, and checking their phones, you're entering flow, learning faster, and building value. Pick one skill: copywriting, coding, design, sales, storytelling, and go all in. Distraction is the enemy. Deep work is the weapon. Forget annual goals you never revisit. Break your year into sprints. In each 90-day cycle, choose one main target. Launch a product, lose 10 pounds, get your first client, publish 12 videos, track it weekly, review it honestly, and keep daily priorities to just 3 needle movers. This is how high performers win. Short feedback loops, real progress, no fluff. You don't need a 5-year plan. You need a 90-day sprint. Energy is the foundation of everything. You can't build empires when your body's falling apart. So make it a non-negotiable. Train 3 to 5 times a week. Walk every day. Eat food that fuels you, not numbs you. Sleep like your life depends on it. Because it does. Your body is your productivity engine. Get it firing, and you'll think clearer, work better, and feel unstoppable. The gym isn't just for gains, it's for greatness. Most people hide their journey. They wait until they're successful before they share. But That's a mistake. Start documenting your progress, even if it's messy. Write threads, film blogs, share behind the scenes. Not only does it keep you accountable, it attracts people, opportunities, and mentors you'd never meet otherwise. You don't need a massive audience, you just need a real one. Show up as you are and let people grow with you. Let's talk return on investment. This isn't just about feeling good, it's about creating leverage in your life. When you focus for 2 hours a day, you unlock better skills, better habits, better income, better health. You attract better jobs, better people, better outcomes. You become someone others want to work with, follow, and invest in. And that compounds. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people will never do this. Why? Because it's not easy. It's not sexy. It requires silence, boredom, rejection, humility. You lose followers, lose friends. You'll doubt yourself. But on the other side of that discomfort is the life you're dreaming of. That's the trade. Most won't make it. You can. Here is your roadmap. Months 1 to 3, cut distractions. Focus. Build the habit. Month 4 to 6, document your journey. Start shipping. Months 7 to 12, monetize. Scale. Build your brand. This isn't overnight success. But if you follow this plan, in 1 year, you won't recognize yourself. And neither will anyone else. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best, right now. If you're still here, you're not average. And you don't want average results. Remember this quote. If you're willing to do what most want, you'll live how most can't. Don't just listen to this. Live it. Prove to yourself what's possible. So now it's your turn. Drop a comment below, I'm in. Let the world and yourself know you're done playing small. Hit that like button if this gave you clarity. Subscribe if you want more strategies to design your dream life. One habit at a time. Let's build the next 6 months like our life depends on it. Because it does. I also invite you to join my free email newsletter. Just visit kevinumali.com/free. See you in my next video.